Hello lovely people, big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Hope you are all enjoying this gorgeous weather that we are having. I've literally just come straight from the park with my kids, and if I'm looking a little bit fresh, it's because I've been outside sweating, chasing kids around parks. But yesterday I took a little trip to the motherland. And I actually went in, the classic B&M story, went in for one thing I actually did. I went in for a picture frame, which I got, although that's already up in Leo's room. And I left with a lot of stuff. But you know what? I found some really good finds, some really good stuff. And it is so haul worthy. So I filmed it. So here we are, completely unplanned, but here is my June B&M haul. Right, where to start? I'm going to start with cleaning bits because I got a few great cleaning bits. Some are tried and tested favourites. Some are some new things that I'm excited about. Let's start with this tried and tested favourite. I've just run out of this, so I was desperate to get some more. I usually get the Vanish Gold one, so I'm hoping this one's going to be as good. But honestly, if you have children in school, or actually just children in general, you need this. Every week when I do my whitewash and I wash Leo's white school polo shirts, there is obviously just CRAP all over them from his hot dinners or what have you. This will get out anything. This has been known to get out baby poo, and I mean newborn yellow baby poo. This stuff is amazing. You put it on, you rub it on, you leave it for 5 minutes, and then you wash the item. Works a charm. So I knew as soon as I saw it, I was like, yeah, need more of that. I've also got about that much left in my current Flash bottle. I don't know what scent I've got out there. I think it's apple something, but my new one for June, I thought this looks nice and summery. It's called Pomelo Paradise, and it's just got pictures of fruits and flowers and things on the front, so I'm going to assume it's a nice summery, floral, fruity scent. I literally use my Flash spray, for everything. So many surfaces, even for like spot cleaning my sofa. Flash is just a gal's best friend, a mum's best friend. So I had to get that. I can't remember how much it was, but I don't know, $1.50 or something. Wasn't expensive. Okay, saw this and this got me excited. Wild life that I lead. There is a very questionable corner in my ensuite shower. If you are an avid subscriber, follower, you'll know that I never let any of you guys ever into my ensuite. I hate it. It's falling apart. Half of it is broken or fallen off. It looks awful. I don't put any effort into the room because I hate going in there. We will rip it out and redo it one of these days. And I went to move some like bottles that were on the floor of the shower the other day, and there was some like black mold behind them in the corner of the shower. I was horrified. So I will have to get rid of that. So I saw this. This is the Kill Rock Mold Remover Brush on Gel, and it specifically says for corners or edges. It's a bleaching action thick gel, and it literally is a brush. And then I assume I just squeeze, and then I put this solution on the Kill Rock on the black mold, and then you remove it, and I assume that the mold goes with it. But I will film this when I do this. I know I never let you into my ensuite, but it will make for a really satisfying video if it works, so I will film it. And this was like £1, so if it does work, what an absolute bargain. Watch this space, I'll keep you posted. Also picked this up. My microwave hasn't been cleaned properly for a while. I keep opening it to make Cooper's milk every day, and every day I open it and think I'll do it today, and I just don't do it. I think because you can't see the inside of your microwave constantly, it's not like something it's not the forefront of my brain to clean it because I'm not constantly looking at it, you know. But I need to get in there and give it a deep one. Now normally I put in some like lemon and water and let that steam, and then I clean it. But then I saw this steam microwave cleaner where you pour a sachet of this stuff into a little tray, let that steam the microwave up, and then apparently you just wipe clean and everything comes off. That'd be blooming great, wouldn't it, if that's true? So again, I'll film it because the microwave is awful right now and it will make for a very satisfying video. Just don't judge when you see the inside of it, okay? Don't judge. But you get a pack of 3 sachets, so 3 cleans for £2. All right, very excited about this. This is something new again. So Scrub Daddy, I'm a huge fan of Scrub Daddy. You will see me use my Soap Daddy, you know, Scrub Daddy soap dispenser all the time when cleaning. Not actually to ever do dishes, I use it to clean. Sorry, my camera just ran out of battery. How many times do I say that phrase on this channel? I'm so bad at charging it. So I've moved over to my phone. But yeah, I needed some new head replacements for my Soap Daddy and they had those, so got very excited when I saw those. They're great because they're just Velcro. Like on other soap dispenser scrubber things, you have to like click them in and pull them out, but the Dish Daddy ones, I've been calling it a Soap Daddy. Sorry, I mean Dish Daddy, sorry. They are just Velcro and stick on. So I've got a couple of those head refills for my Dish Daddy. And then I saw this. I have seen this doing the rounds on reels and whatnot. This is the Scrub Daddy Damp Duster. Huge fan of damp dusting anyway. You will have seen me damp dust a lot in my videos. I literally just use a super absorbent sponge, which I'm guessing is what this is, and water, and I just damp dust certain areas in my house. Nothing works like it. It's amazing. So this, I'm assuming, is a super absorbent sponge, I guess, but the thing about this one is it has these ridged edges. Can you see? So they claim that the ridged edges and the ridged design helps to trap and hold more dust, but we'll see. Again, I'll film it when I use it, so I will share my thoughts, but I think that was like £1 or £2, and we'll see if it's worth the hype. I got some crease releaser. Okay, don't normally use this stuff. I iron, generally speaking. I don't iron everything, but like Leo school uniforms and stuff I iron. Don't generally use this, but I would like to use this on curtains and maybe bedding. I've seen a few people on Instagram use this on their bedding and just pull their bedding just to get certain creases out. But I don't know, I'm not an expert in this stuff. I don't know how great it is. Protect your surfaces, floors and carpets before use. Oh really? What, so I have to like, why can't it go on my carpet? Interesting. Okay, right, yeah. I'll give it a go, I'll let you know my thoughts, but if it works, like on my curtains in my bedroom and things like that, that'd be great, but we'll see. I got some toilet blocks. I got a pack of 4 blue toilet blocks. I have 4 toilets in the house, so that is the perfect amount for me. I think that's it for cleaning, so I'm going to move on to other things. I needed some more hangers for Leo, and his are these black velvet ones, but they didn't have any child-size black velvet ones. But I don't know, he's 6 now. His clothes can probably fit on a full-size hanger. I don't know. It was only £3.50 for them. If they're too big for him, I'll just have them because I also have velvet ones. The reason you should get velvet hangers rather than plastic is nothing slips, because there's like friction on the velvet. Clothes never slip off them. They are the best. So I got a pack of 8 velvet hangers for £3.50. I got a few little storage bits. I got this that I don't have a plan for, but how handy is that? This little tiered storage thing, organizer. The picture has like packet rice and stuff in it, which is what made me think, ooh, that might look neat in the pantry. I'm trying to think what else I might put in there. I'm not sure. I'll get in there and I'll have a little play. But for £3, I thought, I'll take that home. I can definitely find a use for him. Pop a little label on the front, you know me. There was loads of like fridge, pantry, food, storage in B&M. Actually, most of it I already own, so didn't really need to buy more. But this was a new one, so if I see new storage things there, I grab it. I also got the most basic, simple toothbrush holder that you've ever seen. That's really dirty. Why is it dirty? For £2.50. Again, for my gross en suite. Our other one got really gross and I had to get rid of it. But this one, because it's just a smooth plastic, I'm hoping it'll be much easier to clean and to keep clean. Yeah, me and Clint will keep our toothbrushes in there. Like I say, I put no effort into the ensuite. I don't care what it looks like, so £2.50 was great. And the last storage bit, which I think might be my star buy for the video, was this. this little seagrass basket tray. So I want to store some story reading books for Cooper downstairs. They're currently all in his bedroom, and I want to bring some of them downstairs just to encourage him to look at them a bit more often. And I've been thinking to myself for ages, I must get the perfect sized basket to put some books in. And here he is. I have a lot of other seagrass in the room where the kids' toys are, so this will fit in really nicely. So I'm just going to fill this with books for Cooper to pick up and play with as he wishes. It was £7 and it was the last one, so I grabbed it. I got some kitchen foil. No exciting story behind that. I just needed kitchen foil. Same with my Tassimo pods. I think I had my last one this morning, so great timing. By the way, if you haven't tried the Costa Caramel latte with Tassimo, you need to. Got the boys some of these orange cookies that they love. Obviously it's open because obviously Cooper had a pack while he was sat in the trolley, obviously. And for me, guys, remember the days when I would come out of my B&M haul with just chocolate upon chocolate upon chocolate? I'm a new woman-ish. I've got the closest thing I can to chocolate. I've got some Skinny Whip. These are great, actually. I'm enjoying these. They are a good chocolate substitute when I need something. These are really hitting the spot, and they're only like 80 calories each. I haven't had this flavour before. I got the mint and dark chocolate ones, which look yummy. I got some pasta sauce. This is the best pasta sauce ever for a bolognese. When I make the boys bolognese sauce every week, I always pop this in the Lloyd Grossman smoked bacon and tomato. It's yummy. Got some magic straws for Leo because he still loves a cup of milk as soon as he wakes up in the morning, and he loves to have a little magic straw. I got some protein bars. I got some of these for Clint because he likes these ones, the crunch ones. I got some of these for me, PhD ones. They're not the best. There's only 9.8 grams of protein in them, to be honest. I much prefer the ones that you get at Home Bargains. I think they're USN, those ones. These are okay. And random, I got some blue tack. Leo has some Baby Yoda posters that he got for his birthday that he wants putting up. And I just don't really want to pay to frame all of these Baby Yoda posters and put them up when he is your typical 6-year-old who only likes things for about 6 to 12 months, and then he goes on to being obsessed with something else. And then I've got all these framed pictures of blooming Baby Yoda everywhere, so I thought I might go back old school and just stick them up with a bit of blue tack, and then they can just come down. I did want to see if they had any of those command poster strips, but they didn't have any of those, so this always did me fine when I was young. Sometimes it takes the paint off, doesn't it? But and there you go. There is my June B&M haul. That is what I found completely spontaneously. It is often the way, you go in for one thing and you come out with loads, but actually they're all things that you really need and will use, so that's fine. But thank you so much for watching my latest video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. I upload 3 times a week. Most popular one is always on Monday, which is Motivation Monday, getting you going for the week, doing some sort of cleaning or housework, chores related content. But enjoy the rest of your week, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.